welcome back. It is the next day. If you watched the last video, we're back at Accelerated Performance and we have good news. Klaus is running on the dyno. We actually just finished the break-in of the engine and some drivability tune. The reason Klaus was all messed up was because I put a brand new Duralast crank sensor in. That was the whole problem. We switched to a brand new AC Delco, fired right up and ran just fine. So we already just made some baby pulls just for testing, but I'm not gonna tell you that power yet. And we got Chad here, so what we have to do is change the oil, change the plugs, throw on a new transmission mount, and then just do an overall bolt check to make sure everything is running right. And Chad, you shopping for your new block?
There's a whole lot of money's right here.
Is that 2JZs?
They're all 2JZs.
Is it a Supra? Is it a Supra?
Look how big this piston is.
That's not a Supra piston.
Absolutely not.
That is a big block Chevy right there. I bet you that thing could jump a Coke can. So, we're gonna keep letting the car cool down and then get on with the work. All right, transmission mount is done. Plugs are changed and oil is changed. We cut open the filter and it looks great. Like perfect amount of everything. So now we're gonna start some tuning. We're gonna start on wastegate. We got like 12-pound springs in those right now or something like that. I'm hoping that's like 650 horsepower because I really don't want to make a whole lot of power just all the time.
Why you always lying?
Just really don't want to, but we'll see how this goes. Klaus is warming up right now. So what Don is doing right now is he's adding in fail-safe into my oil and coolant sensor. He took the coolant sensor, and if the car reaches 240 degrees, it'll pull 30 degrees of timing out of it, which should basically shut the car off, or it just won't let it make any power. He's gonna do the same thing with oil pressure. I'm assuming like 20 psi or something under that, it will shut the car down automatically. So if we go in full send mode and I'm not paying attention, hopefully the tune saves me now. Alright guys, on that last pull, you saw the engine was kind of down on power a little bit. That's because we were actually evacuating the bucket and where the fuel pump sit. It's got like a quarter tank in it, but that was enough for the fuel line to be below the bucket level and it just cleared it. So we tore apart the fuel system, checked it, cleaned it, added fuel. So we're gonna try to make another pull. We just made the 3 pulls today and we're gonna leave it at that. We're leaving for Cleetus cars in like 12 hours. So we're not trying to break anything. So here's where the pulls today. This is all wastegate pressure, complete wastegate. We did a 768, 803, and an 838. That's just on spring pressure, nothing crazy. The clutch, brand new monster clutch, well, broken in monster clutch, is shooting sparks. So I gotta talk to them and work something out with them and have them send me on a new clutch, and I'm gonna send them back this one because this clutch is supposed to be good for 1100 horsepower and it's not. All right guys, it's raining pretty good. But I gotta get the car home, so made a roof. Here we go.